So in today's video, we're going to be installing this Starlink router here. Basically, I got my cable going around and then through the window up where the satellite is. But I want to mount it here on the front of here, get a little closer because most of the house is that way. And it works fine right there. But I want to get a little closer and give it a little more breathing room because there's this piece of metal here and it's kind of in a corner. If I put it somewhere right here, I think it's going to be much better for the signal going out. And so in this video, we're going to be checking out this Starlink V3 router mount kit. So it comes in two pieces. We got hardware here, installation instructions. So the two pieces is for the power brick and then the router itself. So this looks like it's just white, pretty durable. Looks like ABS probably, plastic. Doesn't say, but it seems very high quality and it's really thick. So this is for the power brick, which I guess goes like this and it'll slide in. And then the router will sit on top of here, just like the pictures show. So I'm gonna go ahead and mount these up there. All right, so I'm making some progress. I use a drill there with a drill bit, 1/4 inch holes, and then these go in there quite easy. Just tap them in there. And the hardware is pretty heavy duty and maybe even stainless steel. They kind of look like stainless steel. All right, that's nice and tight, very strong. And it looks pretty straight to me. So let's go ahead and grab the router. Well, unplug it for now. And we can see the back here. I got this thing out because I'm using the Ethernet. But yeah, this should just clip right on. So it kind of goes to the front like that and then clips down just like that. Very clean, nice installation. And you got enough room there in the back for wires. And that's what it looks like. Pretty good. So I'm going to install the power adapter holder beneath that. Actually, guys, looking at it some more, I don't think I'm going to install this because I have this rack here where the power can reach that. To show you guys, the power brick just literally slides in through here like that, and then it clips on. And you can go either way. You can go the wire that way or the wire this way. It doesn't really matter. But basically, that's how it sits. You know, then it'll sit nicely on the wall there. You can go higher or lower, whatever you want. Higher up probably looks a little cleaner. It doesn't make sense for me to install this because I don't need extra holes. And I'll just keep it to the side here with the rack because I'm gonna have a bunch of stuff here anyway. So, all right, and so that's basically what it looks like. So the wires just go across to the rack and then everything is kind of tucked in there. I'll probably have stuff up here, storagey, whatever. But yeah, it looks pretty good. Maybe I could have done that wire stuff a little bit better, but I'm gonna have a nice clear signal going out to the whole house from here. So yeah, even though we didn't install this, and you don't have to, as that cable's pretty long, that goes from the power brick, about 4 or 5 feet looks like. So it has a pretty long reach. Plus on top of that, there's another 4 feet of power wire. So yeah, if you want to get yourself a nice mounting kit for your Starlink router and power adapter, this might come in handy later on. But yeah, looking good. So if you want to pick one up for yourself, check out the links below. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.